Do you need a bank account to use Venmo? Intro. Hey there, you're having a casual hangout with friends, and someone suggests splitting the bill using Venmo. You're intrigued, but also a bit hesitant. You've heard of Venmo, but you're not sure if it's something you can use without a traditional bank account. In today's video, we're going to dive into that very question. Do you need a bank account to use Venmo? Let's get started. Body. What is Venmo? Before we answer the main question, let's quickly recap what Venmo is. Venmo is a peer-to-peer payment app that allows you to send and receive money to friends and family. It's a popular choice for splitting bills, paying back loans, or even collecting money for group gifts. How does Venmo work? To use Venmo, you'll need to download the app and create an account. You'll be asked to link a bank account, debit card, or credit card. Once you've linked a payment method, you can start sending and receiving money. But here's where things get interesting. While linking a bank account is the most common way to use Venmo, it's not the only way. Can you use Venmo without a bank account? The short answer is yes, you can use Venmo without a bank account. However, there are a few limitations. When you use Venmo without a bank account, you'll be limited to sending and receiving money using your balance. This means you'll need to add funds to your Venmo account before you can use it to pay for things. You can add funds to your Venmo account in a few ways. You can transfer money from your bank account, use a debit card, or even cash in at a participating 7-Eleven store. Once you have funds in your account, you can use them to pay friends and family, or even buy things from businesses that accept Venmo. The benefits of using Venmo without a bank account. There are a few benefits to using Venmo without a bank account. First, it can be a good option if you're new to banking or if you have a limited credit history. Venmo doesn't require a credit check to open an account. Second, it can be a convenient way to manage your finances. You can easily track your spending and avoid overdraft fees. Third, it can be a great way to teach your kids about money management. Venmo can be a safe and easy way for kids to learn about budgeting and spending. The limitations of using Venmo without a bank account. While there are benefits to using Venmo without a bank account, there are also some limitations. First, you'll be limited to sending and receiving money using your balance. This can be inconvenient if you need to make a large payment. Second, you may not be able to use Venmo for certain types of transactions. For example, you may not be able to use Venmo to pay for bills or make purchases at certain businesses. Finally, Venmo may not be the best option if you need to transfer money to someone who doesn't have a Venmo account. Conclusion. So, do you need a bank account to use Venmo? The answer is no, but there are some limitations. If you're looking for a convenient and easy-to-use way to send and receive money to friends and family, Venmo can be a great option, even if you don't have a bank account. However, if you need to make large payments or if you want to use Venmo for certain types of transactions, you may need to link a bank account. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to link a bank account to your Venmo account is up to you. Consider your needs and preferences when making your decision. End screen. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.